Here's a question from Greg related to health insurance. We partly discussed this in a previous lesson. What is the best health insurance for a single male to obtain while traveling that will allow him flexibility? Another good question, and I'm not a health insurance expert, but I have researched this type of topic. And as I mentioned in the previous video about health insurance, Bupa, B-U-P-A, is a world-renowned, one of the largest health insurance providers, and they can give you health insurance based on where you live. So if you live in a place other than North America or Europe where health insurance and health expenses tend to be high, if you move to another country where health expenses are relatively cheap, then your insurance premiums reflect that difference. Now, in the case of a single male, that will allow him flexibility, and what I think he means by that is to just travel wherever he wants and not really establish a residency or be based out of any other particular country, but just kind of have flexibility. I think for that you kind of have to go back to travel insurance, which you can get either through your credit card or travel agency, or some banks offer travel insurance. You pay a daily rate and it covers you for, health problems that you might have while traveling overseas. I think for the Bupa insurance to work, you have to be established in a different country and establish a residency and an address where you were based there. And as I mentioned in the previous lesson, I don't know if you must have a permanent residency visa or citizenship to qualify for the insurance. That will probably depend on the country, and it's definitely a question that their sales agents should have the answer to.